animals and their homes. Just like we live in our home, animals also have their homes to live in. Let's know about animals and their home. One by one, let's start. Lion. A lion lives in a den. Panda. A panda lives in bamboo trees. Tiger. A tiger lives in a den. Monkey. A monkey lives in tree. Bear. A bear lives in a cave. Cow. A cow lives in a shed. Dog. A dog lives in a kennel. Cat. A cat lives in a cattery. Horse. A horse lives in a stable. Camel. A camel lives in desert. Pig. A pig lives in sty. Hen. A hen lives in a coop. Donkey. A donkey lives in a shed. Elephant. An elephant lives in jungle. Sheep. A sheep lives in pen. Rabbit. A rabbit lives in burrow. Bird. A bird lives in nest. Goat. A goat lives in pen. Frog. A frog lives in pond, lake, river. Fish. A fish lives in water. Bee. A bee lives in hive. Deer. A deer lives in grassland. Snake. A snake lives in snake hole. Ant. An ant lives in ant hill. Spider. A spider lives in spider web. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.